Okay, I got cut off there. I had to go and delete a bunch of files. And so here we go, getting down to some more goodies. Put them over here in the pile on the last bag. A couple more. And a couple. Whoop. I saw one in there. Where'd you go? Oh, look at that little guy. Oh, some more. Oh, it's getting away from me. Another little guy. Okay, just a sec. Okay, so getting down to the root ball, and I think what I'll do, because I've gone through all the soil here, just move that and grab this. Oops. And now I'm gonna dump the last of the bag upside down. Oh, a few more. A couple more, I should say. And this is the empty potato that was originally put in there. That's what starts the whole business. So there's some roots that need to go in the compost. And okay, so there we go. See all the roots? That's where another start of a potato. More roots. Another start. Another start. Some more roots. Oh, a little tiny potato. A little potato that's nothing left to it, just the skin. And oh, another little potato. And there she goes with another little potato. And looks like that's the tail end. I'll just dump it out. I think I saw one more guy here. And looks like that's the end of that. So just out of this one bag, these are all of the potatoes we got. So a few little guys, they would be nice, just blanched off. Few, they're all fairly small potatoes. Not many big ones in this bin, but all together with the harvest, let's just. So this is what we've already got plus this, and I wouldn't be surprised if this weighed a good, probably 10 pounds, maybe a little bit more. Actually, let's do it the other way. Hang on. Okay, so this is the potato harvest for this year. So it's probably at least, I'm going to say 15 pounds altogether. I could take it inside and put it on scale. They're going to need to be washed up and sorted, but we probably have at least 3 or 4 meals, maybe 6 meals, depending. Oh, that one looks like it. Oh, not so good. Anyways, but we finally did it. We got everything harvested up, and that's it for the potato collection 2024. Yay! And that's not small potatoes, or is it? I don't know. Anyways, it's all good.